you? Where's the algorithm we follow if the patient is in severe pain? Pushing off with an algorithm to follow, because that algorithm didn't exist.
So just a quick thought.
And it's clear that the audience is eager to come up with solutions. So the goal is not to settle on a fix. This is steps to solve a problem. Step one.